Hi, I'm Adriana Marais.
I'm Carla Sharpe.
We're here at the Cape Town Science Centre, which is actually where we met for the first time. I'm a theoretical physicist by training, the founder of Proudly Human, and an aspiring extraterrestrial.
I manage the Africa program for the South African Radio Astronomy Observatory, and together we have a foundation, the Foundation for Space Development.
And today we're going to talk a bit about why space matters. So, from an African perspective in particular.
So, space, there's two ways of interacting with space. We either look up at space, which is generally the space sciences like astronomy and radio astronomy. And then we have the space industry, which is satellites in space looking back at Earth. And that's what really matters in Africa, is using space data to answer problems of environmental conservation, resource management, and this extends to mining and various planning requirements of governments. They can't make real-time decisions and informed decisions without data and situational awareness. It also has aspirational qualities. Everyone's interested in space, and it's a great way to educate young and old and enthuse the young in STEAM subjects.
Yeah, and inspiration is so important. I think we can't underplay the role of inspiration in emerging successfully from the challenges that our society faces in this era. We're living in an era of rapid development in technology and also in science, but the industry that supports this development is having an impact on our global climate. So space also has an important in terms of the resilience of our species. So what do I mean by that? Well, if we train in extreme environments of how to provide basic resources for communities, this is a way to learn fast and to learn deeply how to be resource efficient, which are the skills that we're going to need to go forward on this planet, whether it's providing power to the almost 8 billion people on this planet, or whether it's providing power for the first group of humans to land on Mars. These challenges have overlaps, and we need to progress to make power more efficient, more robust, cheaper, whatever planet we're on. We can think about water, we can think about water efficiency, we can think about food production, we can think about communication systems. If we are thinking about developing these systems to support the first communities living on the moon and on Mars and beyond, these same solutions apply to refugee camps, to informal settlements, to overcrowded city centers, becoming more efficient at providing basic resources for humans. It's a challenge we need to solve on Earth, but it's a super exciting thing to aspire towards, thinking about expanding our society beyond the planet we're currently on.
Yeah, all through the history of space programs, whenever they're solving problems for space, whether it's how to provide food in space, air, water, recycling, these have had many spin-outs back on Earth. 2,000 products that we commonly use every day have come from space exploration and development. So it's wonderful to be a part of a program that's aspiring to do this further, but solving the real issues on Earth today.